The health benefits of taurine. Taurine is a type of amino acid that gets its name from the Latin term taurus, which means bull. This is because it was first extracted from the bile of bulls, and bull semen. Taurine is now made synthetically. It is found in large amounts in the brain, retina, heart, and blood. The best food sources of taurine are shellfish, meat and fish, but it can also be taken as a supplement. It's a popular supplement and an ingredient in energy drinks, made famous by its use in Red Bull. Taurine is undoubtedly one of the most essential substances in the body. Taurine prevents bile acids from damaging your cells. Taurine is critical for photoreceptors in the retina and stops damage from glutamate. Taurine has a sedative role in the body. It takes the edge off the stimulants in energy drinks, which is why it was probably included. Taurine slows the absorption of glucose into the blood, reducing the spike of glucose and insulin. Taurine stabilises cell membranes and regulates cell volume and cell chloride concentration. Taurine plays a significant role in overcoming insulin resistance. Taurine is found in high concentrations in the nasal membrane, and it could improve the sense of taste and smell. Taurine in foods. The best foods for taurine are scallops, mussels, squid, and clams. Meats have a good content, particularly dark turkey and chicken meat. Eggs do not contain taurine, and taurine is not found in nuts and vegetables. All these foods are eclipsed by Red Bull, which has 1,000 milligrams of taurine in one can. Should you supplement with taurine or drink a Red Bull? Humans have around 70 grams of taurine in their tissues, approximately 1 gram per kilo. The RDA for taurine is not stated, but most common diets would provide up to 0.4 grams per day. A safe level of taurine intake is probably 3 grams. The main source of taurine is food, but smaller amounts are also synthesized in the liver from methionine and cysteine. By comparison, a Red Bull can contains 1 gram of taurine. Taurine from food or supplements is transported to the liver and released into circulation. We have a taurine transporter called TORT, which responds to the concentration of taurine in cells. When taurine is too high, it's excreted from the body in urine. When taurine concentration is low, it's reabsorbed through the kidneys. People who have a low intake, especially vegetarians and vegans, would benefit from supplementing with taurine. The occasional Red Bull would help with taurine intake, but you have to offset this benefit with the sugar content and caffeine. Whilst the caffeine amount is similar to a cup of coffee, a 250 ml can of Red Bull contains 27 grams of sugar. Red Bull was invented by Thai businessman Chaleo U Vidya in 1981. The sugary caffeine-rich drink soon became popular in Thailand with truck drivers, farmers, students and those working long hours. Taurine is a key ingredient in Red Bull, and a 250 mg has 1 gram of taurine. The original Thai version, called Red Bull Theoplex-L formula, contains different quantities of ingredients. For someone with an active and busy life, the occasional Red Bull during the day, before exercise, wouldn't hurt. Red Bull gets bad press for being a sugary drink, but it's not bad compared to other alcohol mixes. Here you can see some popular mixes. Having 1 or 2 vodka Red Bulls instead of vodka cola makes no difference in terms of sugar, but you get a big taurine boost. It's not the optimal way to get taurine, but if you are a spirit drinker, it's a good alternative to the various sugar waters. Red Bull also contains the water-soluble B group vitamins B3, B5, B6 and vitamin B12. Taurine is available as a supplement in capsule or bulk form. It has a slightly bitter taste, but can easily be combined with other great amino acids, such as glycine, to offset the taste. Interestingly, taurine's bioavailability is improved on an empty stomach. A kilo of taurine powder costs under £10. See the description in this video for some good sources. The differences between Thai Red Bull, Theoplex-L, and Western Red Bull. We need to maximize the taurine and minimize the sugar consumed. The Thai version of Red Bull comes in a 100 ml bottle, whilst the Western version comes in a 250 ml can. Drinking the Thai version is best, as it gives you 850 mg of taurine, whilst consuming half the sugar of a Western can and way less caffeine. The Thai version is very generous in B vitamins, with the exception of B12. Thai Red Bull is uncarbonated and is used by Muay Thai fighters to give them an energy boost. Realistically, it's all about getting the taurine without tons of sugar, so the 100 ml Theoplex-L Red Bull is the winner. Let's look at some of the specific benefits of taurine. Bile production. Bile is a digestive fluid produced by the liver. To prevent bile acids from damaging your cells, they combine with glycine or taurine before they get sent to your gallbladder for storage. Bile is rich in taurine and is essential to digestion by breaking down fats into fatty acids. Taurine and eye health. The eyes contain a lot of taurine, especially in the retina. Taurine is necessary for retinal cell survival and prevents photoreceptor degeneration, especially S-cone degeneration. Taurine also prevents the development of cataracts and dry eye, through its regulation of osmosis. Taurine intake is therefore a major factor in eye health. Taurine helps with diabetes. Taurine is beneficial in reducing markers of diabetes, such as HbA1c, fasting blood sugar, and insulin resistance. Taurine has a protective role in the progression of diabetes. Multiple studies have found that high taurine concentrations lower fasting blood sugar and gave less diabetic complications. Taurine protects the cells in the pancreas, which is the organ that produces insulin. The concentration of taurine in diabetic patients is less than that in healthy individuals. So it can be concluded that taurine plays a significant role in many metabolic processes. Taurine helps prevent heart disease. Taurine has been shown to reduce blood pressure and act as an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory in the body. This would suggest that taurine may be protective against coronary heart disease. The big problem occurs when we have a taurine deficiency, as this causes a lowering of mitochondrial activity. The mitochondria in our cells are the powerhouses that produce all of the energy that our cells need. As we age, our mitochondria don't produce the energy that our cells need and can be overcome by oxidative damage that can damage our DNA. This is especially dangerous in the heart, as the heart tissue is high in taurine. Taurine consumption is a big factor associated with rates of heart disease. Taurine also decreases platelet aggregation, lowers cholesterol levels and blood triglycerides. Taurine prevents oxidative stress. Taurine is a major antioxidant that scavenges reactive oxygen species and protects organs, including the brain, from oxidative stress. It has neuroprotective effects and has been shown in animal studies to prevent neurotoxic damage caused by alcohol, ammonia, lead, and other substances. Taurine and sleep. Taurine is considered to be a modulator of brain activity, and like melatonin, is a trigger for sleep. It can activate GABA receptors in the thalamus, a region of the brain known to regulate sleep. Taurine is involved in the creation of melatonin in the pineal gland. The pineal glands convert tryptophan to N-acetylserotonin and melatonin. Taurine increases the rate of production of these compounds 40 and 25-fold respectively. A 1 to 2 grams dose of taurine daily before sleep would help you get into a deep sleep. This would have to come from a dry supplement, and certainly not a stimulating energy drink. If you enjoyed this short video, please click the like button, and subscribe to the channel to see more. If you have any questions relating to taurine or other supplements, please visit our website or leave a comment below.